When it comes to achieving healthy, lustrous hair, nature often holds the key. One such natural treasure is ginger oil. Derived from the aromatic ginger root, this oil has gained popularity as a potent remedy for promoting hair growth and improving overall hair health. In this video, we'll delve into the wonderful world of ginger oil and explore how it can be your secret to a gorgeous hair. Ginger oil is a potent natural remedy for promoting hair growth and improving hair health. It contains bioactive compounds like gingerol that stimulate scalp circulation, facilitating better nutrient and oxygen delivery to hair follicles, ultimately encouraging hair growth. Additionally, ginger is rich in essential minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, which strengthen hair strands, minimizing breakage and damage. Its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties make ginger oil effective in controlling dandruff and soothing irritated scalps. Regular use of ginger oil can also help reduce hair loss and maintain thicker, fuller locks. To incorporate ginger oil into your hair care routine, you can either purchase it or make your own by infusing grated ginger in a carrier oil like coconut oil. Apply it to your clean, dry scalp. Gently massage. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for intensive treatment. Then shampoo thoroughly with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Consistency is key for optimal results with once or twice a week application. Embrace the power of ginger and unlock the secret to naturally beautiful, healthy hair. Ginger oil is known for its warming and stimulating properties. When massaged into the scalp, it can help improve blood circulation. This increased blood flow to the hair follicles can provide more nutrients and oxygen, promoting healthier hair growth. The vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids in ginger oil can help strengthen hair from the root to the tip. This can lead to reduced breakage and split ends, resulting in thicker, more resilient strands. Ginger oil has natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. It can help soothe an irritated scalp and combat dandruff. Regular use of ginger oil may reduce flakiness and itchiness associated with dandruff, leaving your scalp feeling more comfortable. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Now that you understand the benefits, let's explore how to incorporate ginger oil into your hair care routine. The essential ingredients includes ginger oil, readily available or homemade by infusing grated ginger in a carrier oil like coconut oil. You can also optionally add a few drops of essential oils like lavender, rosemary for fragrance. In preparing the ginger oil, if you are not using store-bought ginger oil, create your own by infusing freshly grated ginger in a carrier oil. Allow the mixture to sit for a few days and strain it to obtain the ginger-infused oil. In applying, ensure your hair is clean and dry. Apply the ginger oil to your scalp, concentrating on areas where you want to encourage hair growth. Make sure to massage gently using your fingertips to gently massage the oil into your scalp using circular motions. This massage not only promotes circulation, but also ensures even distribution of the oil. Leave the oil on your scalp for at least 30 minutes. For an intensive treatment, you can leave it on overnight. After the recommended time, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo to remove the oil. For optimal results, use ginger oil regularly, preferably once or twice a week. Ginger oil offers a natural and accessible solution to hair growth and overall hair health. Its ability to enhance scalp circulation, strengthen hair, combat dandruff, and reduce hair loss makes it a valuable addition to your hair care arsenal. Embrace the power of ginger and embark on a journey to healthier, more beautiful hair. With consistent use of ginger oil, you may soon discover that the secret to luxurious locks was right at your fingertips all along, provided by the wonders of nature.